Konnichiwa, my royal queens and kings. It is your queen, Nicole, the Pisces queen. In today's video, I am going to show you guys how I put on my lashes. Today, I'm using these lashes, and they're really the kiss lashes, the Halloween lashes. I had got a whole bunch of them, and I didn't even wear them. And these are the Blair Kiss lashes. So, I'm going to show you, the glue that I have is the Star Glue, but I usually like to use the Kiss Glue. I can't find that right now, and I'm on my way to work, so I did want to make this video right quick. So first, I take off my lashes with the tweezers. Now these are not my normal tweezers, but again, I can't find my tweezers, so it looks like I'm going to go to the store and buy me a whole bunch of glue and a whole bunch of tweezers. So for the Star Glue, I'm just going to put some in my top where the lashes came in, and I'm going to take the glue. I'm going to take a brush. I'm going to take one of my makeup brushes, dab it in the glue, and drag it along the lines of the lash band. Okay. I'm gonna, for each one, I'm gonna put them down and let them dry while I do the second part. Now, when I do my lashes this way, they last for a good 24 hours. In my case, 12 hours, because I wear my lashes for 12 hours when I'm at work, or if I'm going somewhere for that long time. If I'm going to just wear lashes for more than 2 days, this also holds. But I don't do no eyeshadow look, because if I wipe off my eyeshadow, then the lash will come off. So what I do is I take the same glue. Usually it has the one with the applicator, so we're doing something different this time. We're going to take the glue and go along the lines, oh my gosh, along the lines where you want to lay your lash. So you're going above your lashes, or above your own lashes, right above it, and put glue there as well. Make sure you get in the cracks and at the very end here, because you know sometimes your lashes don't stick, and this is usually the places where I have the most problems with my lashes sticking, is on the edge and right here in the corner. So by the time you have done that, then your lashes are ready to be put on. I'm going to use this tweezers, the ones that you use to smash down your lash. I'm going to use these so I won't poke myself in the eye. So I take my lash and I, do like this so it can fit onto my eyes easily. I'm bending it, making it curvy to fit my eye right away. And I take my mirror and I look down into my mirror and I put the lash starting from the inner corner on out, and I put it right above my lash. Now you see it's already tacky, so it's going to go right into place where you put your glue on your own eye. And I always get something at the bottom of my lash. So you see, it should look pretty perfect. I'm saying should because I don't have my glasses on, and I never really look at it because I can't see it without my glasses, and I have to raise my glasses down to see it, right? So I'm like really blind, but you should be able to see it. So again, I'm taking my lash and I'm curving it like this, bending it so it can curve and fit right on my eye. And I also, with this side, because that's just the way it is, I start from the outer corner of my eye to the corner of my eye, and I just put it down and smash the band down on top of the lash I mash the band down. I never really squeeze my lashes together because I'd be afraid I'm gonna poke myself in the eye. I'm very clumsy, so I just did it there, but it's not often that I do it. I'm not saying I never do it, I just don't do it as often. So that is how how I put on my lashes, and they last at least 24 hours to 48 hours. If I'm doing like an eyeshadow look like I did today, then these will come off to, when I get off tomorrow in the morning. And if not, then if I have no eyeshadow look going on, I just have my wing and my lash, I would just redo my wing and leave my lashes on my eyes. So this is the end of my video. I hope I helped someone. And if you put your lashes on a different way, you should also try my way and see and tell me what you think about it. Because I think that it lasts longer and it helps you get all of your ends down without having to make such a mess or getting it in your eye. So thank you for watching. I appreciate all of you guys. And if you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. And if you're already subscribed, then you already know that you are the real MVP. Thanks for watching. Bye.